Search by image on Alibaba extension allows you to quickly find source products on various e-commerce websites, including Alibaba, 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, AliExpress, and more. This enables you to compare products from different sources and find suitable suppliers easily. Key features. Search by image. With one click you can find similar products on dozens of e-commerce websites, such as Alibaba, 1688, Taobao, AliExpress and more. Compare similar products. Select the check mark in the top right corner of a product and click the Compare button to compare these products. You can also export the results to Excel. Currency converter. Show exchange rate conversion in the image search results list. Show exchange rate conversion on the 1688 product details page. Show exchange rate conversion when hovering over prices. You can also open currency converter from the secondary menu. You can enable or disable this feature in the settings and customize currencies and exchange rates. Download images. Open the product details page and access the secondary menu. Click the Download Image button to download product main images, videos, and description images. You can also export image links. Image translation. If you need to translate one language's text and product images to other languages, select the image to translate, click Image Translation, and perform the translation and editing. Buy for me and dropshipping. Unable to purchase products from 1688, Taobao, or Pinduoduo? AliPrice can buy for you and shipping to you or your customers. Find your Shopify, Kuang, or eBay store for convenient dropshipping. Export shopping cart. Click the Export button on the shopping cart page to generate a table with various product information for you. This function supports 1688 and Taobao. Download review images. Click the Download Review Image button to download the comments on the product details page, and you can also export the results to Excel. This function supports AliExpress and Amazon. Copy link. You can click the Copy Link button to copy the product link.